Hi guys, talking about the backup plan for the CET exam, one of the main backup exam you can take is ATMA MAT. So yes, ATMA MAT score will be accepted by DTE, but there are two catches in that. So catch number one is score of ATMA MAT should be out. May ATMA MAT should be out before the DTE process starts. So DTE process is going to start from May 1 and will continue till May 20th approximately. That's my gut feel. So May 20 से पहले रिजल्ट आना चाहिए. अगर तो ATMA MAT का रिजल्ट उससे पहले आ गया तो both the scores will be accepted by DT. That's what we think. ठीक है, तो स्कोर आना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर स्कोर आ गया तो पहले एक्सेप्ट होगा. That's one condition which mostly will be out. 99.9% scores will be out. So there's no need to worry about that part. So वो mostly हो जाएगा. Number two catch is there is no reservation. All seats are open seats. ठीक है, so those who are from reserved category, you have to fight with the open seat. That's your second challenge. And the third challenge is the cutoffs are really very high because the seats are the all India seats. तो जब हम CET का फॉर्म भरेंगे तो you will get two options. One, you are Maharashtra student. Number two, you are all India students. So we are going to tick mark both. ठीक है, Maharashtra student can also apply for the all India seats. ठीक है, तो everybody can fight for those seats and there are 18 seats per college. बजाज का अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं है कि JJB लेगा कि नहीं लेगा, but apart from Bajaj, every other B school will accept ATMA and MAT scores. So these are the three conditions you have to take care of. So they will, so DT will accept ATMA MAT score. In fact, एक और चीज़ है कि जिसने CET नहीं भी दिया, he can also apply through ATMA MAT for these colleges. जिसका CET मिस हो गया या फॉर्म नहीं भर पाया या whatever may be the excuse. So you can still fill the form. जब कैप राउंड चालू होगा, जब डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वेरिफिकेशन चालू होगा, उससे पहले आपको तो उस समय जाके you have to pay 1,000 rupees at that time and get into the process. ठीक है, तो ATMA MAT can act as a very good backup. I know there is a pain to continue with the studies, but क्या करें, CET अच्छा नहीं गया तो कुछ तो बैकअप चाहिए. So those who want to go for next year, great, you can start the preparation for next year. Otherwise, those who want to end up this year in a good college, you can take ATMA MAT. So at Cetking, we are launching this program for ATMA MAT in classroom and online. So in description box, I give you the details where you can buy our mocks and login ID. So in case you want to join your program for ATMA MAT. Otherwise, overall, yes, they are accepting. DT is accepting. So cutoff and everything is given in the description box. So cetking.com/mat, cetking.com/atma for the details, and cetking.com/oms for the cutoff for the CET based colleges. Alright, all the best. Thank you.